Here at the Healthy Food Club, we provide a wide variety of organic meals that are both savory and delicious. They are professionally made in order to maximize your time in the kitchen as well as maintain healthier food habits. We pick out the freshest and highest quality ingredients that are locally grown in order to create the meals from scratch. Many of us aspire to live healthier lifestyles, but it's so difficult to commit to because we're so busy. So we provide you with meals on a weekly and monthly basis, depending on what you prefer and what suits your goals best. Everything is customizable just for you. Not only will you be saving money with our affordable prices, but you'll also be saving lots of time. Our solution is to make food work for you. So instead of creating a long list, we plan ahead and provide you with meals in advance based on your personal food preferences. So whether you're a beginner in meal prepping or advanced and well-seasoned, just remember to keep it simple and have fun.